Hi everyone, Scythe here. Today, we're taking a look at the Bandai high-grade 1-100 VF-22S Sturmvogel 2, specifically the Maxmillian Jenius Use version. This kit brings us the sleek, advanced variable fighter from Macross 7, decked out in the signature blue color of the legendary ace pilot Max Jenius. Alright, cracking open the box of the high-grade VF-22 Maxmillian Jenius Use, the first thing that catches your eye is a solid number of runners for the 1-100 scale high-grade. You're greeted with parts molded primarily in Max's signature vibrant blue and white, along with gray for the internal structure and details, plus that cool, polarized canopy piece. You can immediately tell Bandai's aim for good color separation to capture Max's distinct scheme. Of course, there's a sticker sheet in there for squadron markings, vents, and smaller details in the standard high-grade instruction manual ready to guide you through assembling this beautiful blue space fighter. The VF-22S Sturmvogel 2 is an advanced variable fighter derived from the YF-21 prototype seen in Macross Plus, appearing prominently in Macross 7. Developed under Project Supernova, it represents a leap in performance. The specific version is customized for Maxmillian Jenius, one of the most renowned pilots in the Macross universe, showcasing his signature blue color scheme. For high grade, especially one that transforms, even via part swapping, Max's VF-22S in Battleroid mode boasts impressive articulation. The head is on ball joint and has a neck swivel, allowing for expressive poses. The shoulders are engineered for a good range of motion, incorporating butterfly joints and swinging mechanisms in the chest area to allow arms to move forward, backward, and raise up for combat poses. Moving down elbows, based on its sibling kit the YF-21, expect a deep bend, easily exceeding 90 degrees, perfect for aiming its gun pods. And finally, the wings. They have a standard rotation and likely a hinge for angling the included hand parts, essential for defensive powers. But articulation doesn't stop at the arms. The torso should feature multiple joints for articulation, allowing for forward crunches, backward arches, and even more side-to-side tilt, adding life to action poses. Now, let's talk about the legs. The hips connect via standard polycaps, offering a wide range of movement, forward, backward and outward for various stances. The knees should provide a deep bend, crucial for jerk walk mode and dynamic battle royale poses. And of course, the ankles. These are integrated into leg design and features pivots allowing the feet to remain flat on the ground, ensuring stability even in wider action stances. Now for the main event, the transformation. The high-grade VF-22S uses Bandai's shortcut change system. This isn't a seamless integrated transformation like a Masterpiece Transformer or some high-end Macross toys. Instead, you achieve 3 modes, the fighter, jerk, and battleroid, by assembly sections and swapping in dedicated parts optimized for each form. In jerk mode, the transitioning here involves swapping the lower body, leg assembly parts, partially deploying the arms, and positioning the legs in their characteristic reverse jointed stance. It retains the fighter's main fuselage and cockpit section. In fighter mode, it uses specific frame parts to ensure a sleek, aerodynamic shape in Max's blue and white colors, hiding the robot limbs effectively. You attach the landing gear for display. The battle droid mode requires the most significant part swap. You will use the dedicated battle droid torso, attach the fully extended arms and legs, mount the head, and configure the backpack components appropriately, resulting in a fully realized blue robot form. While some might miss a fully integrated transformation, this part forming approach guarantees that each mode looks incredibly sharp, stable, and accurate to the anime design, avoiding the proportional compromises often seen in transforming kits. Weapon-wise, Max's kit comes nicely equipped. We've got the VF-22S's standard gun pods, a set of interchangeable hands for different poses, parts to deploy the landing gears in fighter mode, and confirmed pinpoint barrier punch effect part. The canopy also features a cool polarized coating. Alright, let's talk about seam lines and color accuracy. Being 1:100 high grade focused on transformation via part swapping, the kit separation is actually quite good, minimizing major seam lines on the main body parts in each mode. However, you might find seams on areas like the Gunpla or potentially the limbs that requires filling for perfect finish. Color accuracy out of the box is good, capturing Max's primary blue and white scheme well. However, many smaller details, vents, and markings relies on the included namer stickers. For true anime accuracy, painting these details is recommended. Bandai offers official water slide decals separately, which are highly recommended over the standard stickers for a much cleaner professional look. For those wondering about the size, the completed VF-22S stands in 1:100 scale. And here is how it compares with the real grade 1:144 RX-78, which is about 18 cm tall. Overall, the high-grade 1:100 VF-22S Sturmvogel 2 Maxmillian Jenius use is another fantastic entry in the high-grade Macross line. It offers a unique transformation experience focused on mode accuracy, great articulation in battleroid mode, essential accessories, and the sharp, elegant design rendered in Max's iconic colors. While achieving perfect color accuracy requires painting or water slides, the kit looks impressive right off the box with minimal effect. I do recommend this kit to Macross fans, particularly fans of Max Jenius and Macross 7, builders who appreciate accurate representations of each mode over complex transformations, and anyone looking for a well-engineered 1:100 scale mecha kit in a striking blue color scheme. It is a visually stunning piece that promises a fun build and a great addition to your collection. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more mecha and Gunpla spotlights. Let me know in the comments below what kit you'd like to see reviewed next. Have you built Max's VF-22S or any of the other high-grade Macross kits? Share your experience and any tips in the comments below. Huge thanks again to Plamod for their support. Remember to support local Canadian hobby businesses, and be sure to check out my other content on Instagram, Twitter, and Threads. Thank you so much for watching. Scythe here, and I will see you next time.